In this video, we're bringing a plain bedroom to life with a bold jungle mural and custom wallpaper accents. We started with careful prep, measuring walls, smoothing surfaces, and laying out drop cloths. Precision is key when it comes to a flawless wallpaper install. Next, we installed this stunning safari mural featuring elephants, zebras, and giraffes, creating a dramatic focal wall right behind the bed. On the adjacent walls, we added abstract neutral patterned wallpaper to complement the mural without overpowering it. The tones tie everything together beautifully. Final touches include adjusting the lighting, styling the furniture, and adding playful elements like the stuffed giraffe, making the space both elegant and cozy. This room is now peaceful retreat with personality and charm. Follow us for more transformations like this, and let us help you turn your vision into reality.